And were you given any warnings? What
No.
were you told about the risks involved here?
Nothing really, like I can't remember.
Certainly not brain tumours.
Definitely not brain tumours, no, because I wouldn't have stayed on it.
For 20 years, Kirsty used the Depo contraceptive jab. She was told it was safe. Now her life is lived through a blur.
Basically can't see out of the right eye. Like I say, it disfigured my face. So it was confidence, it affected my mental health, because a lot of people ask questions like, what's wrong with your eye? And I know they're just curious, but it totally destroyed me. They're saying that within the next 15 to 20 years, I might lose the sight in my left eye, which is my good eye, because of it overcompensating for the right eye.
Millions use these injections worldwide. Recent studies suggest long-term use carries a higher risk of these tumours. They aren't usually cancerous, but can cause blindness, seizures and memory loss. Tammy used the same Pfizer-made jab for 15 years. She was diagnosed with 4 brain tumours after her symptoms were initially dismissed.
I was told I had dry eye and to just leave, go home, you're not getting a scan. That was on the Thursday. On the Saturday morning I woke up and my right eye was bulged out.
Were you given warnings that this could be a possibility of brain tumours?
Never. The French did a study and managed to link, meningiomas to the use of oestrogen, so Pfizer's Depo. Then yeah, they gave that information to the UK in 2024. The government needs to take hold of this. The NHS need to be because the problem we have is people saying it's a very small chance. Okay, that is true, but consistent use of this drug for more than a year increases that chance of meningiomas.
Kirsty was told her condition was just one of those things, but with her permission, we've obtained medical records that suggest a possible link in black and white. Her doctors have written to her saying, please now stop the injections as they can promote the growth of meningioma or brain tumours.
A legal fight, US-style class action is now underway here in Scotland, possibly worth hundreds of millions of pounds.
You can't put an atomic bomb equivalent of a medical device on the market and put a warning on it and think you can get away with that. It's just not that simple. The product wasn't safe, the warnings were not clear, and the women have suffered the most horrific injuries. They are entitled to compensation.
Pfizer say patient safety is their priority. For years, these women trusted a routine injection. Now they're left wondering how a simple choice became a life sentence. Conor Gillis, Sky News.
Well, in response to that, we have spoken to a spokesperson from Pfizer who issued the statement. We conduct a rigorous and continuous monitoring of all our medicines, including assessments of reported adverse events. In collaboration with health authorities around the world, Depo-Provera has been approved in more than 60 countries. People should talk to their doctor, pharmacist or nurse if they have any concerns or experience any side effects.